Hey, what's up? Welcome to NAM Design. In today's video, we will share a Figma plugin worth exploring. Let's get started. Number 1. Figma Identity. This plugin is designed to simplify the creation and maintenance of design systems. With just one click, it provides tools to generate consistent style tokens, which include colors, typography, spacing, effects, and grids. These tokens can be applied to a comprehensive library of over 80 production-grade components, each available in multiple variants, sizes, and styles. Additionally, designers can preview and edit their styles directly within Figma, ensuring they remain aligned with their design language. Number 2. Wireframe. The Wireframe Figma plugin is a powerful tool for creating wireframes, user flows, prototypes, and essential layouts for your projects without the need to start from scratch. It is particularly beneficial for designers who are short on time. The plugin offers a free collection of over 350 custom-built graphics for both web and mobile. To get started, simply install the plugin from the Figma community and integrate it into your Figma design project. Once set up, you can easily drag and drop wireframes directly into Figma. It's that simple. Number 3. Google Font. The Google Fonts plugin allows users to easily browse and add fonts directly to Figma text nodes. You can quickly explore the complete range of Google Fonts, saving your favorites with all variants available for immediate use. Number 4. Chart. The Charts plugin is a simple yet effective tool that does exactly what its name suggests. It allows you to create a variety of charts, including area, line, pie, scatter, and bar charts, among others. You can configure the minimum and maximum values and personalize each chart to meet your specific needs. This plugin provides an efficient way to enhance your designs, making them more visually appealing without the hassle of creating charts from scratch. Number 5. SkewDat. SkewDat is a handy tool that provides designers with the surprisingly useful ability to skew almost anything in a Figma design in real time. It allows you to add depth to your projects without getting bogged down by minor details. Whether you need to skew 1, 2, or even 9 layers for your presentation, SkewDat can handle the heavy lifting while you focus on the rest. Number 6. Colorsinspo. Colorsinspo is a straightforward yet powerful Figma plugin designed to help UI/UX designers quickly and easily create cohesive color palettes. You can either choose from a selection of pre-built color palettes or customize your own using Colorsinspo's extensive library of solid colors and gradients. Alongside color palettes, this plugin includes several accessibility features, such as a contrast checker and a color blindness test, which ensure your designs are inclusive and considerate.
Number 7. Easing gradients. Easing gradients enables you to create beautiful gradient transitions. With the ability to apply custom cubic easing functions, this tool transforms gradients into sleek, professional designs, making it perfect for both transparent gradients and creative experiments. This gradient plugin is versatile and can integrate with any gradient type or orientation. Simply define the initial and final color stops and specify your preferred easing function value to achieve the desired effect, though it's important to note that intermediate color stops may be omitted.
That's a wrap for today's video, folks. Make sure to stay tuned for more exciting content. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Bye!